So a bunch of my YouTube buddies and I decided to do a Secret Santa this year. I think this is gonna be so freaking cool. Like, there's quite a few of us, but for the person that I will be making a gift for, it's gonna be a very, very dear friend of mine in the space. She and I, like, you know what I'm saying, we're just cool as hell, like, you know what I mean? And we have been since we met each other during the YouTube's biggest art collab. That's where we met, and I am so glad that I got a chance to paint for her, because a lot of the people in the Secret Santa, they do a lot of like cute stuff, and I love all of the cutesy stuff that they do, but Miss Ashleigh Monet, she, you know what I'm saying, she's got kind of like a darkier like type of style that, like, you know, that I just, you know, resonate with a little bit more. And you know, we just vibe. Just the gift that I got is from creative Paula. I'm gonna show you guys me opening it up, but I want you to go over to her channel to check out what she made for me. I don't want to hold you guys up too much anymore. Let's get right into the video. Old Frankie Millie Z's got to throw his whole ass into this one, y'all. Sin City will always be one of my favorite movies of all time, and to have Frank Miller and Robert Rodriguez direct together was a dream. The star-studded cast was crazy, and to throw them in such a captivating set and environment was straight a feast for the eyes. I watch a lot of movies and have so many classics in my back pocket, but for some reason when I saw Ashleigh do her video of her totally dope version of me though, it really sparked my creative bug. I hadn't forgot about the movie, but I forgot how much I love it. Ashleigh also did her own twist on another one of our art YouTuber friends, Creative Paula's work, and you should definitely check that out too. Even though the Secret Santa exchange I'm doing with my friends was supposed to be a little more crafty, I was just too inspired to make this painting and wanted to gift it to the person that sparked that creativity. Ashleigh is such a dope part of this community and also very talented and driven. I don't usually have time to watch all of my creator friends' videos because trust me, I have a lot of them, so many, and I love every bit of all of it. But I do try to make some time to at least go back and check out her channel from time to time and binge watch a couple episodes. It's not only inspirational, but also the entertainment factor is out this world because she can be hilarious. Also because I feel like we're a lot alike in a lot of ways. I wish her and her husband lived closer because I know a game night with Katie and I and her husband would be effing lit. Maybe one of these days though, because you know, you never know. If you haven't seen Sin City yet, you are big tripping. This movie's neo-noir aesthetic is just chef kiss delicious. I'm not super into crime thrillers normally, but when they are done right, I stand super tough for them. Seven is another one of those flawless crime thrillers, and I respected the new Batman with little old twinkle toes Twilight dude, respectfully. Sin City kept it so fresh though, and to make it an anthology wrapped into one movie was so cool. The first story with Marv was super wild. Dude just went beast mode on everybody. And I love that such a simple and relentless character could love the way that he did. And two, that even someone as ruthless as he was could know that some things in this world are too evil and he needed to step in and take that ish out. The character that I'm painting is from the second story. And while she relatively plays a very small role in the movie, her character really stands out. The way that Clive Owen narrates her part when she's walking on the rooftop sends chills for real, and gets me super hyped because you just know that she is 1,000,000,000% about that life and somebody to be taken serious. Like serious. When she takes out Jackie Boy, played by Benicio del Toro, I was like, damn! Fun fact, when I lived in LA many years ago, I had ran into the dude at Amoeba Records. I didn't say anything to him because I didn't want to like fan out too crazy, but I'm glad to have that memory. Hopefully when he saw me smile with that, yo, I know who you are, look on my face, he, you know, knew that I just digged this shit. I want to talk about the third story, but that one was probably a little bit too messed up to talk about on YouTube, but I'm glad it ended like it did, cause that yellow bastard was a bad man. And you ain't gotta ask, did he do it? Yikes. Bruce Willis was a real one on that joint. Needless to say, all three of the stories were super dark and twisted, but each of them were super engaging and fun to watch. The comic book style of the movie hasn't been done the same since. The second Sin City movie was pretty good, but again, nothing like the first. Please go check it out if you haven't seen it. Like, immediately go check. If you have seen it, just go watch that shit again because I did, and that movie is so dope still. Timeless. For this painting, I'm using the Alpe Fa Rembrandt oil paints. I've used a lot of different oil paints, and when I tell you these are the effing truth, please believe that's just no lie. And when I say truth, I mean the truth with 2 F's. These colors are bolder and blend and mix better than any other paints that I've ever used. They're a little bit on the pricey side, but I'm pretty sure once I'm done with all of the other oil paints that I have, I'll probably be switching to the Rembrandt as my main go-to moving forward. I still may use cheaper brands like Winsor & Newton for like bigger paintings because, like I said, these joints is expensive. But Rembrandt for sure is where it's at and worth every penny. Something new I did in this painting was using a totally different color for the highlights. And I'd really like to lean into this more. Like on her blouse, kimono jammy jam, I used deep purplish reds and then the yellow for the highlights. Seasoned artists will be watching this and be like, duh, Chuck, you ain't know how dope that shit was? And to them, I say, shit, I do now. And now I got another tool in my back pocket to sharpen my brush sword. The color composition in this as a whole is a color combo I've yet to use, and yet I really love it. The reddish purples and yellows throughout will be for sure a combo I'm gonna come back to in the future. I wanted to make this painting like uniquely me, and even though I feel like I met that goal, I feel like it's also so important that I'm still trying new things. The hands like hella pissed me off. Like I could have done a few things better, but I'm still super happy with how things came out, like the blouse, and I hope Ashleigh loves it as much as I do. This also sparked some inspiration for some new ways that I can incorporate my little wood border pieces that I like to put on my paintings nowadays, but we'll save that for another day. The hair was inspired loosely by my homie Scott Sava in the way that you can kind of see through it and like the chunks and whatnot. I love like what he does with hair, but like yet I'm nowhere on his level or anything, but the influence is there, if you know. Everything else to me really just screams that it's a Chuck Lee joint right here. The background, the big head, the corner border pieces, the shadow that separates the figure from the background. I'm really starting to feel like I'm making like paintings that are very just me, just like, you know, that's a Chuck Lee joint right there, and that's super exciting to me, guys. You guys have no idea how exciting that is, and I'm excited to see what's next. Let's go ahead and, you know, wrap this thing on up. Alright guys, so before we get into the final sexy shots and all of that, I want to show you guys what I got as my Secret Santa gift. I am so excited because I haven't opened this yet, so I don't know what I got either. So yeah, let's see what I got. My Secret Santa gift is from Creative Paula, which I love Creative Paula. She is the sweetest and the coolest, and yeah, let's see what I got. Yeah. All right, first we got a little letter. See, dear Chuck, I was so happy I got you for Secret Santa because now I get to take this opportunity to tell you how grateful I am. I got to meet you. You are wonderful, so that lights up the whole world. I hope you like the gift I made you. I'm also including some traditional handcrafts from Ecuador. What? Happy holidays. Thanks, Creative Paula. Paula, you the shit. Whoa, what is this? Check this thing out. This thing's pretty cool. It's like one of those like Lucky Cats, I think. Whoa. No, dude, this thing is sick. This don't look like the one on the, oh man. Yo, this thing is freaking sick. What, dude? Look at this. Oh man, this is cool. Look at this. Oh, the paint job on it is sick. Holy crap. Jeez Louise, thank you. I love this. This is actually the colors that'll go really good in our living room. This might have to sit in our living room. Yo, I like his black.
What else do we got in here? Ooh, look at this. Oh, it's like a pendant. Oh, how cool. Oh, is this a bracelet? Yeah, it's like a bracelet. Oh, how cool. Oh, these are the handcrafted things that she was talking about. Very, very cool. But look at this, guys. This is the main star to show you guys. This thing is sick. Oh man, wow. Paula, you really outdid yourself with this. Thank you so much, Paula, for the gift. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into those sexy shots.
Make me feel safe in my own skin. You hear me crying out when I'm silent. Ain't nobody knows my stories like you do. 'Cause you help me write a new rhythm too. You make me feel like I'll be alright then. Alright then.
Yo, thank you so much for coming out for another video. Paula, oh my God, I love my gifts so much. You are the sweetest. Thank you for being my friend. You are so sweet. And Ashleigh, I hope you love the painting. Ashleigh, oh, my dog Ashleigh, swear to God, we on the level, girl, for sure. Please make sure to go and check out all of the other YouTubers that were a part of this little Secret Santa thing. I can see this thing being like a thing for years to come because it was just so much fun. And it's a good way to, you know, interact with my peers in this space. This is so cool. I hope we can get more people involved with it too in years to come. Peace, love, and I'll catch you in the next time for some more sweet shit.